हाय हेलो सत श्री अकाल, यू ऑल आर वाचिंग पंजाब केसरी। मैं हूं आपके साथ नमिता सचदेव। क्या हो अगर आप एक साथ होल लॉट ऑफ टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स को ऑन स्क्रीन देखें? ऑफ कोर्स, अजीब दास्तान होगा और क्या। वेल, वी हैव विद अस अ मैन who has his own vision and who has made it happen to us. Yes, I'm talking about national award winning director Mr. Neeraj Khewan along with a very beautiful and talented actress Aditi Rao Hedri. आप दोनों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत पंजाब केसरी में। कैसे हैं आप?
हम एकदम बढ़िया। आप कैसे हैं?
एकदम परफेक्ट। एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर अजीब दास्तान। वैसे मैंने फिल्म देख ली है, बट स्टिल मैं बहुत सारे स्पॉयलर्स नहीं देने वाली हूँ। बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क फ्रॉम नीरज इज कि लाइक व्हाट वाज योर मेन सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन राइटिंग दिस स्टोरी? गीली पुची, इन फैक्ट द टाइटल इज सो क्लिकी, इट्स वंडरफुल।
दैट्स द आइडिया एक्चुअली। ये टाइटल इसीलिए दिया क्योंकि हम लोग चाहते थे कि ऐसा कुछ क्लिकबेटी टाइटल मिले। बट हाँ,
हम्म।
द टाइटल आल्सो टॉक्स अबाउट बिकॉज इट्स एन इंटरेस्टिंग डिवाइस टू यूज एज एन इन्फ्लेक्शन पॉइंट। क्योंकि
हम्म।
इन दो किरदारों की जिंदगी में ऐसा कुछ वाकया होता है कि वो उनके बीच में एक अफेक्शन आ जाता है, एंड देन हाउ
हम्म।
दैट बिकम्स ऑल्सो सिंबल ऑफ हाउ थिंग्स गो साउथ विद देम।
हम्म।
कैसे अनबन हो जाती है, कैसे आ, मतलब वो एक समझौता नहीं मिल पाता है, तो उस चीज के लेके था। तो ये कहानी का जो शुरुआत थी वो बहुत पहले मैं एक लेडीज को देखा था, मलयाली औरत थी जो
हम्म।
आई थिंक वो एक कॉप थी। तो उनको देख के काफी कुछ लगा कि लाइक इनमें कितना कुछ होगा, तो उनका एक मैंने अपने आप मन जहन में ऐसे ही इमेजिन कर लिया। और मसान के दौरान ऐसा हुआ था कि
हम्म।
तब मैंने एक स्टोरी का सोचा था, और मैंने सोचा था कि ये मसान के लिए थोड़ी ज्यादा रेडिकल है। तो
हम्म।
तब मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, मसान में इसका इसका तुक नहीं बनता। तो फिर मैंने
हम्म।
उसको रखा, फिर काफी सालों तक वो अंदर भुनता रहा। और फिर अभी मैंने सोचा
हम्म।
कि यार इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है, इतने अच्छे एक्टर्स हैं, तो क्यों ना बनाया जाए।
हम्म।
बस वही।
वेरी नाइस। So may I ask, when did you draw the images of Aditi and Konkona in your mind for these roles played by them?
Actually, what happened was, while you're writing, I tried to keep it a very blank slate as to let the character overpower. Um, Once we were done, I think Konkana came in first because we were trying to. I couldn't imagine anyone else. I absolutely adore her as an actor, as a director. So she came with that intelligence of being an actor and director. So I thought that nobody else will able to understand the nuances of playing it. And she was excited to play it.
Hmm.
Whereas a lot of people I would approach would be like, okay, acha, ye aisa role hai, वैसा role hai. But she was
Hmm.
super excited, and that is like so inspiring for any director to go with. And after that, Aditi, like I said, I wanted to work with people who will not judge these characters. Who
Hmm.
will make it their own and live it in a way that you're not being an outsider's point of view. You're totally
Hmm.
being them, and it's from their point of view. And we, as creators of it, happen to be a chance, by chance, a part of the story. And
Hmm.
Aditi and Konkona are like probably the best actors in our country. And to work with them, it is just a privilege, honestly. And
Hmm.
my job was already done once these two girls came in on board. I was super happy.
Very nice. So much compliments from a director. Aditi, how does that feel, first of all? And secondly, we see the girl power in the movie. You and Konkona is driving this
Yeah,
like short film, है ना? So what do you say on that?
it's lovely. It's so important for me that the director, because the directors live with their stories and their scripts and their
हाँ.
characters for so long. So they
Hmm.
know those people inside out, every twitch they know, literally. Or they imagine. And of course, it's about finding the characters together, all of that. But you have one idea in your head. It's like, when you read a book, then you imagine the characters to be a particular way. You read a book, you'll
Hmm.
imagine it to be a particular way. Now, I have to come in there and breathe life into the imagination of the director, plus give it my own little uh, fairy dust, whatever it is.
Hmm.
Hopefully
Hmm.
make it my own, make it special and good enough for him to be okay with it. Um,
Hmm.
which is a like actually quite like sometimes when I think about it, it's damn hard. But I guess like for a lot of us who really enjoy our work, it ends up being really organic and effortless because we get to work with really good people, we get to work
Hmm.
with good actors, etc. So it's very important for me to hear, that the director is happy with a scene or with what you've done or whatever. And for my co-star also, because it starts there. The team has to love you and, value you first. And then your audience hopefully will also feel the same. But पहले अपने घर पे तो people should feel कि, we are, we're doing something good together.
But Aditi, can I ask, is this your conscious effort to do de-glamorous roles on screen, या फिर it just happened to you?
अरे I don't understand this word यार, de-glamorous का मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब अगर मैंने जीन्स पहन लिया और लिपस्टिक लगा ली तो मैं ग्लैमरस हो गई, अगर मैंने साड़ी पहन ली तो मैं डी-ग्लैमर हो गई, ऐसे नहीं होता, मेरे ज़हन में ऐसे नहीं होता. But these are terms, and I don't actually I feel like what terms we should do away with them, Okay, but Priya is, I mean, if you think about it, Priya she's a simple girl. She goes and works in a factory with and is surrounded by a lot of men. So she's young, she's just married, so thoda to sajti hai, but makeup, I guess, foundation nahi lagati, pata nahi. Whatever she has access to, she does that, and I feel like the look of the character was very important because it has to be believable as that girl, And at the same time, because she's chulbuli and because all girls like to dress up, so thoda effort she will put. So it's like that. I don't look at it as glamour or de-glamour or whatever. It's a real character. You have to be true to whatever it is that you're playing. So whatever it is that.
In fact, I love the dialogue. I love the dialogue in the film, like शादी हो चुकी है फिर भी स्कूटी पे वो पॉम या क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कुछ ऐसा, फुंदने, I'm sorry, फुंदने लगाकर घूमती. Very pretty and like so cutely Konkona said this, na? Okay, so Neeraj, if I ask, like, some people actually think that casteism don't exist in the country anymore, but it still does. What are your thoughts?
I mean, to people who say that, I would ask them just look around in your own workplace, or your institution or your college. Just see how many people are there, and you'll have your answer. So I don't want to answer more than that.
Okay, since you have shot in the pandemic, as far as I know, so what challenges you have to go through during the shoot of this film?
Oh, extreme, because because not many people had shot during the pandemic at that time, and we had all isolated, and Dharma and Netflix made some wonderful arrangements for us to be safe, and thankfully no one got COVID at the time. But it was extremely difficult because you're wearing PPEs at that time, and it was super hot in the factory, and we had to wear that. We had to keep the distance. See, the bigger problem that comes in while you're directing is that because the actors want to see, because to read my expression as to what I'm feeling, they need to see me. Because if I'm wearing a mask, if I'm wearing a whole, face shield and everything, they can't judge my reaction to a particular take. So that was very essential. So that became a bit of a deterrent. But now I think it's you have to learn, and that's the order of the day now.
Exactly. Achha, did Neeraj ask you to take any references from anyone to play your character, Aditi?
No, not at all. But he did give me a lot of background, history, a lot of understanding on very various things, which is part of our preparation for coming onto set. Also, because we were trying to make this film in very efficiently in a short amount of time, etc., etc. So we wanted to come to set and just shoot and finish in that much time. And there was a lot of stuff to shoot, actually. Now that I think about it, we shot a lot and very fast in a very small number of days.
No, because the situation was such that Aditi was in Hyderabad, and she cannot extend beyond 7 days because the government had mandated. Because after that, you had to stay for 15 days. And she had a lot of work ahead of her. So we had to finish in 7 days.
If I ask about how much difference does you feel shooting a short film, then if we can compare it shooting a full length film?
To be honest with you, I love short films. I love them more than features because they give me absolute freedom to make a film the way you want to. And, there is no pressure of commercial pressure, or the pressure of having to drive a narrative to 2 hours or to take it much forward. Of course, feature films have
Hmm.
their own, of course, charm and grammar and syntax and a life of its own. But short films actually genuinely give you that, and also they challenge you a lot because you don't
Hmm.
have time to establish a character. You have to start with the conflict already, and उसकी resolution भी आपको उतनी time लगाना पड़ता है. तो what it does is because it gives you paucity of time in
Hmm.
terms of screen time, in terms of making it, in terms of the edit space. So when you have that challenge, it brings in creativity automatically. So whenever you get challenges, they bring in more creativity, is how I
Hmm.
see it. And that's when, I mean, I absolutely, but the difference comes only when the writing, because you have to make it work for a shot, and the editing,
Hmm.
but the making is the same. I don't treat even an ad film, I give it the same amount of dignity and hard work and technical finish to anything.
Very nice. Aditi, I would like to ask you this personally, that I feel that you have not still got the chance to play characters on screen according to your potential. Do you actually think that way sometimes?
No, I mean, yeah, I mean, any artist will always want to do more and want to explore more. And of course, as an actor, mm, I'll not sit down quietly. I'll keep wanting to do more things and more exciting things. But I feel like I'm actually very grateful for the people that I've worked with and the kind of work that I've done, and the fact that I've done it in the way that I want to do it. It's been
Hmm.
slower for me. Maybe it's been one step at a time, but it's also been really, I've been very grateful and very blessed for all of it, and such lovely experiences. And uh, I've worked with people who till today, from my first film with Shrishti and all till today, I can say like they like family to me, and I'm so close to them. And there's so many people like this. So I'm
Hmm.
never gonna crib. I feel like, to get a toe into this industry is so difficult. Um,
Hmm.
and to
Yes.
work in the way that you want to work, and to work with such incredible people, whether it's Mani sir or Sanjay sir or Neeraj or Bijoy or so many people. I mean, Mishkin sir in the south, uh, Dhanush, uh, so many people. Why am I going to complain? I'm not going to complain. And I feel like, yeah, people do have this thing about, oh, Hindi mein she's underutilized. I'm like, that's not my problem. There's the problem of the people who are making these decisions. And you have to understand that actors, whatever it is, we are at we are dependent on other people to offer us
Hmm.
those films. But I feel
Hmm.
like a lot of the work that I'm doing in the South, whether it's Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, whatever, I'm really enjoying myself. Scripts are being written for me. People are waiting for my dates. I'm really, really feeling very loved by the fans over there, very valued, and I don't feel any lesser in Hindi, honestly. And I genuinely feel whether your film is 20 minutes or 2 hours, it's
Hmm.
about making people feel in a certain way, and you can make them
True
feel
that.
in a certain way in those 20 minutes or in those 2 hours. What is
Hmm.
important is that they should take you home with them and come back to find you every time. At the end of the day, that's the most important thing. Yeah.
तो यही मैं आपसे जानना भी चाह रही थी नीरज, कि जब 4 स्टोरीज एक फिल्म में आप शूट कर रहे हो, है ना, अलग अलग इम्पैक्ट होता है चारों स्टोरीज का, अलग अलग रिएक्शंस होते हैं ऑडियंस की तरफ से, तो आपके थॉट्स में जानना चाह रही हूँ कि एक स्टोरी को अपनी वाली 30 मिनट्स की स्टोरी लेट्स से उसको इम्पैक्टफुल बनाना कुछ ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग नहीं हो जाता था?
नहीं, मेरे हिसाब से जैसे डेमोक्रेसी होती है ना, कि हर किसी को अपना
हम्म.
मत रखने का हक है, इसी तरह हर अपनी अपनी फिल्म का अपना अपना वजूद, अपना अपना इम्पैक्ट होता है। तो होने दीजिए। मैं तो कहता हूँ कि देखिए, हमने बड़ी शिद्दत से बनाई है फिल्म, बड़े बड़े ही सेंसिटिविटी के साथ बनाई है, बहुत ही हार्डवर्क किया है, और पूरी कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी कि मतलब आप जो अपनी बात कहना चाहते हो, इसके आगे ऑडियंस के हाथ में। वो जैसा देखें, वो जैसा समझें, वो जैसा प्यार करें, जैसा बोलें कि भाई हमको पसंद नहीं आई, सब सर आंखों पर।
वेरी नाइस। वैसे मैं तो अपना रिव्यू बहुत जल्द देने वाली हूँ इसके बारे में, क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी देख चुकी हूँ, तो मैंने जैसे पहले कहा, और उसके लिए बस मुझे लगता है मुझे थोड़ा सा और वेट करना पड़ेगा उसे ऑनर करने के लिए। वेल, वेरी वेल एंड वेरी ब्यूटिफुली explored all the fractured relationship, I must say, in different stories, and such wonderfully shot. Matlab, I mean, amazing. Just one word I have to say, WOW, that's wow.
Thank you, Namita.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aditi. Thank you so much, Neeraj, for
Thank
talking
you,
to us in
Namita.
Punjabi.
Thank you.